macOS Golden Gate, also known as macOS 27. Apple has just announced the brand new year versions of iOS, macOS, tvOS, etc. I've got it running on my Mac as we speak. I am actually a Mac user. This is a M4 MacBook Air. Now I'm gonna just look at the new features and stuff. For example, the liquid glass slider. As you can see, I actually use it at the absolute maximum. So if we look, so if we look at this, let's say, and then we turn the slider all the way down, looks more liquid glass, if you know what I mean. So I'm just gonna max that out because I actually don't really like the liquid glass. Another thing is that all the icons got another revamp. So the App Store Finder basically just got rid of the liquid glass kind of look and put it into, I just realized, oh my god, okay, I need to turn battery saver off like ASAP. I'd say they're a combination of flat and also the liquid glass look. Image Playground is a brand new thing to macOS 27. I don't have a use for it, absolutely useless. Finder's gotten a little bit of a redesign again, except this is how it looks. Siri has got a brand new icon. I have it off, but it looks like you can add ChatGPT to it now, because I'm pretty sure Siri is actually an app, which I'm not going to enable it. Actually, I don't really have a use for it. Spotlight search, the OG Spotlight search is back. You don't have that like weird app icon garbage that was in macOS 26, which is really good. However, if you go to the apps, you have the search, which only does the search function on the apps. You know what, I want to take a look at the new wallpapers. Gonna go into wallpaper and then press macOS beta. What? Oh, I forgot I have rectangle installed. This is light mode, this is dark mode. You know what, I'm actually considering keeping it. It's actually a pretty sick background. You know what, let's jump into accessibility. Let's see what's new with that. Let's look into the display option, because yeah, there's a show borders button now, which looks pretty cool, which adds a border to all of these as well as the whole window. Apparently the windows are less curved now, which is also kind of good. Yeah, nothing's pretty much different. The animation, oh, okay. Yeah, there's not like a whole lot different with this. I just thought I'd make a quick little video about it. And yeah, thanks for watching. I will see you guys in the next one.